3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
Hello everyone. Today, I'll be showing you how to get the new Avalanche Rod and why it's such a fantastic choice for its price. This rod costs only $35,000, making it an incredible value for beginners. While it's not the best rod in the game overall, its insane resilience and control for such a low cost make it unbeatable in its price range. However, keep in mind that I'm on the testing server, so the stats may change before the official release. If there are any updates or nerfs, I'll make sure to pin a comment with the changes. Now, to get this rod, head to the Northern Expedition area, which is located to the left of Moosewood. You'll spot a large portal with text marking the entrance. Once you teleport through, follow the path straight ahead. You'll need a glider, so make sure to bring one for the journey. The walk is fairly long, but just follow the path of ladders. Eventually, you'll encounter a large gap that requires the glider to cross. Be cautious if you're in a laggy server, as delays can affect your glide. Once you cross, continue to the left to find the NPC near a set of tents. Right next to this area, you will see the Avalanche Rod available for purchase. For just $35,000, this rod is an absolute steal, and I highly recommend grabbing it if you're starting out. So